Good morning, everybody. We are here. Pretty sure today is Wednesday morning, the day before my birthday. Guys, listen, we've only got a couple people in here right now. How do you feel about your birthday? How do you feel about your birthday? I'm excited in one sense, but in the other sense, I don't know, man. I don't like the fact that it's just going to come and then go, and it's just another ordinary day, and all of that. What are your guys' normal emotions around your birthday? I am excited. I'm excited to share it with you guys and have some fun. But at the same time, it's kind of like, oh, here it comes, and then there it goes. You know what I mean? We got Frank, Nick F, Everflores, Tim Fish. We got Paul, Meta Pockets, Pudgy, Frank, Keith. Good morning to you, Juana Silva. Buenos dias, Juana Silva. Glad to have you in here this morning, and good morning. Cassie, good morning to you, Ugandan Toad. Hello, Juana. Yes, Ugandan Toad. Hello to you. Outdoor Smile. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Clay Bro. Happy birthday to you. One more day, baby. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. Keith, yo, me. It's just another day. Yeah, man. Me. That's what I'm thinking. But I don't want to be that way, man. I want to stay excited about my birthday. Not the fact that I'm going to be 33 years old. My hair is going to start turning gray right here. Like, you guys can probably already see it. Getting a little gray in there. Oh, man, I don't want none of that nonsense happening. Otherwise, it's going to be a good day. Happy birthday, Keith, man. Tomorrow's going to be the birthday. Let's go. Pre-party, baby. Pre-party, baby. Yes, pre-party. Guys, should I go, I've been hearing people say that, what kind of cake? Let's just put it that way. Let's leave it open-ended. Don't let me influence your decision at all. What kind of cake would you guys go with? Frank, Outdoor Smile. Shane, good morning to you. Tin Fish, AMC to Pluto, New Foe. Cassie, good morning. Ugandan Toad. Wait till you hit 40. I don't want. Ugandan, man. I don't want to hit the 40s, dude. But 33. I'm not 23 no more. I'll tell you. Nah, listen. I would rather be 33 than 23. 23, I mean, it's young, dude. You still got a long way to go when you're 23. Yeah, fresh out of college, like getting a job. You got a long way to go from 23 to 33. I'd rather be 33. I'd probably be saying the same thing when I'm 43. I'd rather be 43 than 33, man. 33 is so young, but no. 33 is good. I'm happy with it. Carrot cake. You got it, Toad. You really going with carrot cake? Ice cream cake is the best. That's what I'm thinking, man. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. I guess Cold Stone makes a pretty good cake too, though. Champagne cake is my favorite. I don't know if I've ever had champagne cake, man. German chocolate cake. Shane likes the chocolate. What's up, Clear? AMC Trapper in the house, baby. AMC Trapper. I haven't seen you in forever, man. Where you been? Red velvet cake with dark chocolate icing. Dang, Outdoor Smile knows what he likes there. What does this guy got? Frank, I have no idea what kind of cake that is, dude. Tin Fish is sleeping. Tin Fish, what were you saying? Where did you see that Snapchat thing? I read it in the chat, man. You said the Snapshot may be taking place tomorrow. Where did you see that? I have not seen that. Tres Leches cake. I don't know if I've had that either, Juana. I don't think I've ever had that. What is a 3-milk cake, man? I don't even know what this is. I gotta look this up. This sounds delicioso. Let's see. Well, that does. Hey, Juan, I'm not gonna lie. That does look delicious, and it's got some amazing reviews, guys. I'm gonna actually have to make that, dude. 4.9 stars, 730 reviews. Tres Leches cake, guys. Have you seen it? If not, I've never had it. If not, we might have to try this. I don't know. That does look delicious, though, doesn't it? Tastes better from scratch? I'm sure it does, man. Sure it does. 730 reviews. Ooh. Looks delicious. What is Tres Leches? Tres Leches literally means 3 milks. Yes, it does. And 3 cakes. 3 Tres Leches cake is an ultra-light sponge cake soaked in a sweet milk mixture. It's popular in Mexico, Latin America, and throughout the United States. It is often available in Mexican restaurants. I've never had it. I need it. Whipped egg whites. Ooh. Dang it. Wanna turn me on to something good here. Come on, Juana. Yeah, we're going to make some of this. I know we're going to make some. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but I'm going to have to make me some of that. It looks delicious, Juana. It looks delicious. Tres Leches cake. We're going to get it. Clay needs to have a meat cake. A bunch of steaks stacked up together. No, I don't need a bunch of steaks stacked up together. But that does, like, I could make some just giant, because I was wondering what I should do. I think over the weekend, I'll probably have family over or something. So maybe I'll just make like a giant quesadilla, but it's a cake form. You know what I mean? Like a giant quesadilla, almost like a lasagna. Boom, real big. You cut into that bad boy like a cake. Put my candles right in the top of that, and then you don't have to grill burgers or anything, man. You don't have to grill burgers or anything. You got the giant quesadilla cake, a cakeadilla. You get the cakeadilla right there. We could do chicken, we could do steak, we could do bacon, man. That's actually sounding pretty good to me now. I think Meta Pockets might have been just messing around with me, but I actually don't think that that's too bad of an idea, man. A cakeadilla. Has anybody ever had cakeadilla before? Did I just invent something? Me and Meta Pockets just collaborate on a new type of a cake. It's like you eat the cake and then you have the cake afterwards, but you call it a cakeadilla. You guys, I hate the delay on this thing. I ask these questions and I say these things, and then you guys have such a delayed response. I'm not messing around. My barbecue account, I did that in the pockets. Did you call it a cakeadilla? Ooh, man, I think we just invented a cakeadilla, baby. Man, it's gonna be good. What kind of meat should I put in the cakeadilla? Put some birthday candles on that. Slice that bad boy up. Everybody's got their food there. Yeah. Yeah, dude, cakeadilla is actually a thing now. I made it. Cakeadilla. It's Cakeadilla's cakeadilla. You guys are so slow, man. I'm sitting here talking to myself. You guys, man, I don't know what's going on here. Meta Pockets, glad to have you in the chat today because you and I are the only ones talking about a cakeadilla. Everybody else is ignoring me. Like, what's going on? Snoke a tree tip. Chevy Silver Raider. What? Bomb, but I am no fan of queso. I'm no fan of queso. Okay. Chevy Silver Raider, answer me here. I don't know what Snoke a tree tip is, but sounds yummy. I patent it and sell it to Taco Bell. Cassie, I should sell it to Taco Bell. That would be good. Sounds like heartburn. Shane, most delicious things usually do lead to heartburn, man. So we got to go with. No, I didn't call it a cakeadilla. It was a pile of meat with lots of dip and whatnot. Meta Pockets, gotcha, man. You should have called it a cakeadilla. Glad to have you in here, man. Toad, thank you. Toad, thanking everybody. I hit the like button on the way in. Everybody else hit the like button on the way in. Sixth paragraph. Tin Fish. Sixth paragraph of... I gotta look it up, man, because I don't need that open. Or that. Sixth paragraph. I gotta see if I'm in the right place here. Do Kwon. Stable Kwon. I'll pull this up and look at it. The what I've seen is saying the 27th. Dude, I'm still seeing the 27th on everything, but I may be looking at something different than you are. So you can see here, I don't know if this is something different than you're looking at. Hold on. I'm in the wrong. Yeah, so Genesis file created from final launch Snapchat on the 27th, launched a new network on the 27th. And then the definition of post-attack snapshot to be taken on the Terra Classic block 77, 90,000 on May 27th, 359.51 plus 800. Whatever that means there. I don't know what exactly time that is. It doesn't make much sense to me. Nick said that is 1 a.m. on May 27th Eastern time. If anybody else can confirm, perfect. But I'm still seeing this. By Do Kwon here on agoraterramoney.com. So that's still what I'm seeing there if you guys are interested in the Genesis block. Meta Pockets. Unfortunately, yes, man. Unfortunately, yes. Smoke a tree tip. LOL, I have a wood chip smoker. Smoke a treat. Dude, I don't even know what smoke a tri-tip is. I thought you were trying to tell me to go, smoke something. Hey, bro, I flipped my Benz Monday morning, and thank God I walked away with minor cuts. Pick of the car. Dang, man. Where's this dude at? We're glad Trapper's okay, man. No wonder I haven't seen Trapper in a while. Oh, gosh. Trapper, man. My goodness. Definitely glad you're okay, dude. This is rough here, man. This is rough here. Definitely. That's obviously a total. But, my gosh, man. I'm glad you are okay. Anybody else in the car with you? Everybody okay, man? That is nuts, dude. I'm really glad you're okay. I'm glad you're in here, dude. Couple scratches. Shoot, man. Dude, you got a hedge protection around you. I have a trigger, life-changing. Moji, not sure what that is. Show me the money. Let's get it, man. The problem, no consistent... Yeah, that would be the problem, tin fish. That is the problem, man. That's what I've been going off of, what I showed you there. To stay consistent with it, directly off Do Kwon's Twitter page. But you're right, there's a ton of different information flying around out there. And maybe that's to get people to sell off before the snapshot actually takes place, and then people can go in there and buy Terra Luna up real cheap. There's a lot of people out there, man, that if they can scam you out of something, they definitely will. Oh, there's my 100% yes, man. It's just me. Good deal, man. You got a hedge protection around you, I'll say that, dude, because that car was messed up. Just a couple of scratches on you, good deal. Okay, I have a 10 a.m. tea time. Thought I'd pop in and say, yo, have a great day, everyone. Moji, you're late, man. It's 12:03. Go have some fun with that tea time, man. Enjoy your day. Get some golfing in with the buddies, whatever you got going on there. And stop back by later if you can. Yo to you. AMC is sitting back in the 11s. Nice, man. Frank saying 11. AMC sitting at 11.02 right now. Busting back up 6%. GameStop currently up 12.46%. It's looking very nice. $100.26 there. Shiba Inu coin 11.62. Not much going on, but it is all right. Shiba Inu coin is just barely below break even today at 11.62. Fomc actually doing something today, but it's still got a long way to go, guys. It was at 7.60 yesterday. So it's not like we're really doing anything here. We need to see some major advances if we expect to even regain any sort of anything. And it's been beaten down to death recently. So let's go back into the 8s and then the 9s and then the 10s and then the 20s and then the 30s here in Fomc. Just glad that it is showing a little sign of life today. I would absolutely be disgusted if it gave this back up and comes down to 650 here. That would suck. So Fomc sitting on 23% right now. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down at the moment. Sundial about break even right now, 38.33. Mullen Auto 1.50% higher at $1.01. CEI 1.50. I was right. CEI 66 cents, 65.5 cents there. SPY sitting up 0.38% right now. BBIG down 3.60 at $2.80. Highcroft Mining sitting up 0.5%. Netflix is up 2%. And Snapchat actually bouncing back, snapping back today. Now, Snapchat is up 11% at the moment after losing over 40. I think it was like 43% or something was the decline that Snapchat had yesterday. Bouncing off. You guys can see it. Doesn't mean that it's going to sustain some moves to the upside now and gap back up. But I will say this. It did bounce off that multi-year level of support. Very nice. And that could simply be what you're seeing here on Snapchat is a bounce off this multi-year level of support. You got to go out to a weekly graph and really see these support lines going all the way back to 2017, basically when it IPO'd. So came down here to this $10, $12 range, bounced off of it several times over the last, half decade, and currently bouncing off of it again. So with this weekly chart here, bouncing right off that. But, it does look very devastating, the loss that we've seen at Snapchat since November. So I wouldn't be terribly convinced that it's not going to continue moving lower here, that this might just be people buying in because it had come down so far. So keep our eyes on that one as well. Is anybody in Snapchat? Let's put it that way. Is anybody in Snapchat right now? I'm not in it. I don't know if anybody bought in it or not. If you did, I mean, we could look at it more often. If not, we'll just keep back and see what's going on there. But AMC looking very good right now, guys. Up 7.5% at $11.17, continuing to rise. Now, I know my boy Frank had some puts out there. Frank, you still got those puts rolling on, or what's going on? Catch your puts, almost 10%. Okay, halfway the losses over the week and recover. Oh, I like it, man. I like it. Let's see. Clay was positive energy 100. Kifo, man. Listen, you only have... I cannot affect any of the... And I'm not always positive, right? I cannot affect any of these things that are out of my control, but I can, I guess, control or affect my attitude, right? And if I keep a positive attitude, you know, maybe it'll transfer on to somebody else and they've got a positive attitude. Look, dude, I'm telling you, sometimes I want to tear things down, but I have a conscious decision to make that you got to build them back up instead. So I would rather continue building than destroying things, even if I have to sit there and put myself in timeout and take a couple breaths and say, it's going to be all right, man. It's going to be all right. Not positive 100% of the time, but dude, it kind of wouldn't be healthy if you were positive 100% of the time. You got to make that conscious effort. So conflicted. Luna was alive, then it died, but not really fully dead. Zombified, came back to life, went lit and died again. However, all the smart people are saying it's going to live to die. John Jay, you got me confused, man. You got me confused. Look, at this point, dude, if you're in Luna, if you're playing Luna, I would really focus on the 27th. I would really focus on the 27th, man. And I wouldn't be afraid to trade that date and possibly get out around the time of the snapshot. I want to say Snapchat, like Snapchat. I would not be afraid to make that trade there. I am honestly expecting volatility. I truly am. I'm honestly expecting volatility. And, gains, honestly, followed by losses is what I would expect if everybody acts logically. So we will have to see how it goes. Based on the new Luna, I bought $80 with a now token. I should have $4. I can almost buy a gallon of gas. Shame, dude. Hey, man, almost buying a gallon of gas is good. Maybe if you wait, I don't know, another 6 months, you might be able to buy half a gallon of gas. Or we might just switch over to liters, and you might be able to buy 1 liter of gas for that $4 there. So, good deal on that one. We got Fomc coming back down here, guys. Coming back down a little bit. This is the stuff that I said I do not want to see happen. It is looking like it really wants to give back these gains, and I would not be surprised, man, if we are sitting right back down here in the next 5 minutes at 0658 because Fomc can't hold on to gains to save its stinking life. Going from 798 down to 739, that is roughly a 10% decline. It's roughly a 10% decline in the last 20 minutes. So I'm not going to be surprised at all to, let's see this. Let's go horizontal line. Nah, guys, I'm not going to be surprised at all to see it fall all the way back down to 660 right here and give back every single gain that it had because it's worthless, man. Nobody can hold that stock to save their lives. Everybody keep in mind, these are in the money cash secure puts, bullish as AMC goes up, profits go up, AMC neutral or down, roll out for more premium. Frank, very nice, man. Life lesson from Clay, bro. Pull out, yes. Dude, you want life lessons, man? Sometimes you do have to pull out. You got to cut your losses and just pull out right there. You are right, my friend. You are right. Look familiar. Aren't you my cleaning lady? What is happening right now? I don't even know what's going on. I'm beyond broke. Can't buy anything. Living on McDonald's dollar menu. Shiba Inu has me dipping. I'm telling you, man. It's got you dipping. Something we need to be ripping, not dipping. We have a lot of slackers in the chat. Didn't hit the like button. Oh my gosh, guys, stop slacking. Click that like button. We are currently sitting on 25 likes and 58 people. You guys are the ones, man. You guys are the chosen ones to click that like button. I need a drink. Oh my gosh, barely any water. Oh, come on, we need more water than that. Any overnight stocks? Dylan, what do you mean by overnight stocks? You mean stocks that I hold overnight? Or are you talking stocks that could pump overnight? Which one are you talking there? Because, yes, I typically hold all of my stocks overnight. I'm not a day trader. God, it just makes me so upset to see these red lines on here. It truly does. these people that are trading this are there's no other way to say these people are just pathetic that are trading this stock right here. Up 30%, and it can't sustain these gains because people just can't hold. My God, that is just terrible to see. I'm not kidding. It's gonna come back down to 660 right here. It's sickening to see this. As far as overnighters, they could pump overnight. No, I don't have any of those. But as far as holding overnight, yes, I hold all my stocks overnight. Should I buy Facebook stock with a settlement check I received from Facebook? Did he do that? I mean, you might as well, right? Why not, dude? Why not? Good morning. It is cheap right now. It could get cheaper, but it is cheap right now. Good morning, my fellow chosen ones. What a beautiful day to be in the neighborhood. Got some green for AMC, GME, and ATER, LFG. Let's go. So many acronyms there. I like it. Let's get it. Frodo. I like it, man. Got the green. Is green dry powder, or are you just glad they're in the green? Now I don't know which one we're talking about here. Is green another synonym for dry powder, or we got something else? Come on. Turn now. Turn. These 3 red lines ruining the day. Don't do it. You can't drop 10% in 3 minutes like that. Just go, man. After the morning you're having right now, just continue to see some gains. Don't you dare go back in the 7s. What's for lunch? Nufo. Let's see. If I don't just do like a protein bar or something, which I've got that. I don't think I'm going to make lunch because I got some leftovers. I got some fried rice with like, dude, I don't know. What's the difference in a dumpling and a pot sticker, right? I put some chicken pot stickers in there, but it's basically a dumpling. So I think I'm going to have some fried rice if I don't eat a protein bar because I ate all of the hard-boiled eggs that I have. I could hard-boil some more eggs. I got so many eggs, dude. I got to hard-boil some more. And I got to keep eating some eggs. Glad they were in the green. Gotcha for the day. Yes, I am also glad they were in the green. Man, it's such a relief to see some green. I'm telling you right now, I hate seeing red after day after day after day. And I'm glad we got some green. Meat and cake. That'll be for tomorrow. Well, I don't know if I have cake tomorrow. Probably the weekend. Things we can't say anymore because it's offensive, pump and dump, and scary words. It hurts the market, then red candles happen. Man, we can't say pump and dump anymore. Don't do it. When Shib to a 0, Soul Team 6. According to the experts, 1/3 of the experts believe Shib to 0 by the end of this year. The rest of them believe Shib to 0 by the end of 2025. So, according to those guys, 7 months, 6 months from now. I'd say 6 months from now. So, according to 1/3 of the experts polled out there, you've got Shib to 0 by the end of the year. If they are wrong, like when you say something that bold, you should have to bet your career on it. So, like, they literally get fired. They literally get fired if Shib does not go to 0 by the end of the year. I think they should get fired. What do you guys think? You sound too low, broski. What do you mean too low? Oh, I moved my mic. Is that what you're talking about? Do I sound better now? Like the volume was too low? I'm here, but not in the chat. One question. When are you expecting from the NASDAQ after the... When are you expecting from NASDAQ after the minutes? What am I expecting from the NASDAQ after the minutes? If you're talking Fed minutes, I'm expecting a decent reaction. Let me tell you why. These Fed minutes are going to be from the previous meeting, man, and I believe that everything at the previous meeting was good news. The market reacted positively post FOMC conference, and I would expect it to act positively based on the same information that's out there. So I would expect some good things. Yesterday, Powell said that he doesn't think that we're going to be able to have a soft landing and that we are most likely going to hit a pretty hard recession. I don't know if that's going to be included in the minutes or not. I don't think that it would since he literally just said that yesterday. But that's why I'm expecting good news. At $43, what to buy? Dylan. Buy something that's going to go up, man. Buy something that's going to go up. I don't know. Stay conservative with that $43. Why not? Why not, dude? Stay conservative with that $43. Invest in the SPY. Invest in the QQQ. Invest in the DIA. Invest in something that is going to be a little bit more conservative there. Hey, dude, it's $43 you're never going to have to worry about. Dylan, we saw you. Dylan, what did you say? What it is? We saw him. Let's go, man. A girlfriend makes amazing gluttonous. rice. Gluttonous or glutinous rice? I don't even know. Nice, Nufo. Nice. Gosh, man. AMC looking great today at 11.25. GameStop looking amazing today at 102.61. GameStop is up 15%. AMC is up 8%. Shiba Inu coin down 1% right now. Break even almost. Farmy still up 17%. I can't complain too much, but sitting at 07.28 right now. Giving back some decent gains. Giving back about 10% of its previous gains that it had a little earlier in the day. Do not like to see it giving back up gains. I would rather see it sit sideways and continue to move higher than ever post a red line. We've got a Biora Therapeutics sitting break even today, or 76.50 right now, 76.60. The NASDAQ doing pretty well today, up 0.75%, sitting at 0.77% higher, 11,350. We've got Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin kind of sitting right around break even. Sundial sitting 0.68% higher. Mullen Auto 1% higher at 101. CEI sitting 3.5% higher. The SPY 0.30% higher. BBIG is 3% lower. Highcroft Mining 0.1% higher. And Netflix 2.73% higher right there. AMC, man, going off the charts here. Steeper. No, we'll bring it back down a little bit so we can see these massive gains. Going from 1074 to 1130 just over the last, I don't know, what is that, 45 minutes or so, maybe a half hour. Looking very good there. Back out to the chat. We've got, if that were the case, Gasparino, Greenfield, and Kramer would have been fired a long time ago for bad predictions. The reason they were not fired is because they got paid to make those bad calls. Yeah, Frodo, I still think when you have such a bold claim, I think that you should be held accountable for it, man. If not, say that it's likely. These people are saying that it is, and that it will, and that it, like... Dude, here's the thing with that, too. I honestly think they should be held accountable because, you know, on YouTube, clearly, we're entertaining on YouTube, right? But when you interview hedge fund directors and an investment firm directors and these big shots that are executives at financial firms, somebody that is most likely a licensed financial advisor, somebody that holds themselves out to, have an expertise in finance, and they tell you that not Shiba Inu coin could go to zero, not that it's likely to go to zero, but that Shiba Inu coin is going to zero by the end of the year. I could reasonably rely, and nobody could tell me different, I could reasonably rely upon a financial expert's opinion on what it is going to do. Not what it's likely to do, not what it could do, and so on. What it is going to do. When they guarantee it's going to do something, and I reasonably rely upon it, as anybody would, holding yourself out to be an expert in the field, guys, that's financial advice. So, I don't know. Somebody needs to intervene and shut those guys down right now. I do know exactly which exchanges are launching Luna 2. I don't know any exchange that's launching Luna 2 right now, Outdoor Smile. If anybody else does, please. Moas for Clibro's birthday. Let's get it, Frank. Oh, my God. Dude, if Moas is on my birthday, I'm going to love it. AMC squeezing. AMC squeezing right now. Watch out, guys. Yes. I thought I saw Nick F in the chat. J-Pal not speaking today, right? Yeah, J-Pal is not speaking today. We do have another Fed member speaking today, but it's not Pal. AMC looking great today at 11:25. It's tough to hear. Nick F, I know, dude. I know. It's almost like we stepped in a time machine and we are back to like April, May of 2021. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Hey, look, okay, this is a good question. Thinking about it. Because I hate time travel, right? Let me ask you this. Sincerely, let me ask you this, okay? Because I am unsure if I would be able to tell you exactly, what the exact closing price is or anything like that on AMC. But let's say that I stepped in a time machine and I know a lot of you guys were watching me a year ago because you've already got the 1-year member badge. Let's say that I did go back 1 year ago today. It's May 25th, 2021. You guys have no idea, but I am from the future, okay? I have lived the next year, and I tell you, I am from the future, because there was a different mentality 1 year ago than there is today, And I'm going to tell you this. If I were to tell you that AMC is going to rocket up on, I believe, June 2nd, we're going to watch it. It's going to rocket up to $72. And then from there, it's going to come back down. You got to sell at 72 and then get back in. It's going to be okay. You can do it. Would any of you guys listen to me? What would I have to tell you to convince you that that is the intermediary high and we're going to experience a major bear market? It's going to be a major bear market. AMC peaks, and then you guys can jump in Shiba Inu coin in October, and after that, you are out. Buy all the puts you want, short all the stocks you want, at least until May 25th, when that's the date that I came from in the future. So at least until then, play it to the downside. What would I have to do to convince you? Because I can almost guarantee you guys would shun me out of the neighborhood if I told you AMC was peaking at $72, $76 before, after hours trading, but $72 intraday. What would you guys do? Would you believe me, or what would I have to do to convince you? Because I know for a fact you guys, AMC crew 2021, would have shunned me for saying such a thing. Yo, how are you, guy? Nick, I'm doing good, man. How are you doing? What did you say? Put the $43 in? I said, Dylan, something conservative, man. Just take that $43 and throw it in something conservative so you don't have to worry about it. No major plays on the $43. Some whole team say, no, he does not. He likes fruit. He eats the fruit. Dylan, whoa, any plans for the big day, Clay, bro? No. Nick F, none. I might have family over the weekend. Not exactly sure. May go over to Grandpa's house. They get one of those slides and they get a little pool up and stuff, so they can play in that. But no huge plans, especially for tomorrow. No plans there. Tell me not to buy back in at 70s and 50s. I don't regret buying in, but I wish I didn't so high. I would have believed you, Clay. When you hit over 70, I was so close to selling out of them, but I held. Man, I'm telling you, I don't know. There would be a lot of people that would have a lot of hate for me back in the May, June era of AMC. I know I'd have to convince you guys, though. That I'd have to convince you. Clear would have just had to sell my eToro. Would have taken care of the rest. Nice, man. Follow me. Social trading on eToro. No, I don't social trade on eToro. That's another guy, man. That must be another Clay bro out there. It is true, though, dude. It is true. Yeah, if I time traveled, I definitely would have sold. And honestly, I don't know. That's actually interesting. What plays? I would have to sit down and think about it for a minute, because I know there are several plays that popped off between AMC in June and Shiba Inu coin in October. Do you guys know, if you travel back, what specific plays and dates would you have hit? Because I can go through plenty of them, going back, a decade or whatever, but specific between then, I know, ATER, I know BBIG, I don't know the specific dates on them, the way that I do Shiba and some of these other cryptos and things like that. So, what would you guys have done in between those, other than those two? Give me a specific date. Don't look it up. Give me a specific date that you would know right now if you time traveled and you'd have to hit. Oh, man, I remember swimming over there back in the day. No slide back then. Yeah, Nick F. No slide back then, but they got the exact same pool. Slightly different place. So it'll be fun, man. They're going to have some fun. And they enjoy doing that, man. So we may do something over there over the weekend instead of over here. But yeah, dude, it's a blast, man. It's a blast. And, dude, he has so much fun too, running around. Juana Silva, thank you very much, Trace Leach's cake. I'm gonna have to make one and then send you a picture, Juana. I'm gonna have to send Juana. You follow me on Twitter or only Instagram? I gotta send you a picture of this Trace Leach's cake when I make it. Your birthday is tomorrow, right? You don't have to. You don't have to send a super chat to ask me that question. Yes, tomorrow is my birthday, Juana. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. The birthday is tomorrow, 30 33 stinking years old. My goodness, 33 years old. Ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Juana, thank you very much. I really will try to make one of those Trace Lages cake and show you, though. Have you ever made one? Juana, you got to answer the chat now. I asked you a specific question, Juana. Have you ever, from scratch, made a Trace Lages cake? I got to know, because if you have, I need to make one, and then I need to send it to you for your approval. I sold at 69 like I said it would. Swole Team 6. Yeah, you're one of those dudes, man. You're one of those dudes that stopped it from going higher. You're one of the 69 guys there. I know you were. Figured AMC be trading like a GME at this point, but yeah, me too, Nufo. Me too. Luna gonna fly today. Within the next 2 days, Harris. I think it's gonna fly within the next 2 days. No joke. Snap going up. Yeah, Snap was up 10%. Gulfport Energy. Frank, what day and price was Gulfport Energy flying? So Snap is currently up 9.30% right now. It was up a little higher earlier. I think I saw it like 13%. $14.50. Currently sitting at $13.98. So it is up on the day, but at this point in time, it is currently falling back down a little bit. But still nice daily gain of about 10% there. If you are in Snap or if you bought Snap yesterday, you're probably doing pretty well. Looks like Bitcoin going to test daily lows soon. Man, Nicholas, that is not... Listen, I do agree, okay? I don't know if it's going to be testing that 25, but I do think that it can be testing, 28,000 again here pretty soon. I'm still very, very, I guess, cautious in the crypto world. And the market with AMC was 54. Glad I sold at 43. Hey, Chevy Silver Raider, man. Sometimes it's better to cut a loss, right? And if you want to get back in now, like if you still believe the MOAS is going to happen, now is a much better time to enter than 43. Hindsight is 2020, though. I got to wait to sell my BBIG and get it on my book, so I'm ready to put that money somewhere else. Did he do that? That's the exact same way I feel with farming, man. Exact same way I feel with farming. Can we assume that Luna Classic is now at its peak until airdrop? Outdoor smile. Logical assumption, yes. I would say logical assumption, yes. There may be volatility leading up to it. So I mean, you may have some more people buying in leading up to it, but and here's the thing why logic may not ring true. I'm sure that not everybody knows that there's even an airdrop out there. Truly, man. Truly, I'm sure there's a lot of people who are just going to be scrolling across cryptos and see, oh my gosh, this crypto's down 99.99%. I got to get me some. So there's still some people out there that I'm sure are going to be buying based on price action that have no idea there's an airdrop. So you may see a little increase, a little decrease. But yes, logically speaking, I would imagine that it's going to be stagnant until airdrop time. I would have sold out on AMC $70 last June, and then I would have minted a new Aboard Ape Yacht Club NFTs. Oh my gosh. I see, that's the thing. I didn't realize when Bored Ape Yacht Club minted. Frodo, when was the Bored Ape Yacht Club mint? That would be... God, dude, that would be phenomenal. Could you imagine, when was the, Frodo, you got to tell me when that mint was, dude. Could you imagine selling AMC? Like, if I came back from the future and I told you, guys, AMC, let's just $70, keep it conservative, 69 if you want to laugh, and then let's mint like 10 of these Bored Ape Yacht Clubs and just hold them. Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize when that mint was, dude. I thought it was before that. Juana, there's actually a $2 chat option. Yes, there is. Outdoor smile. Thank you for letting Juana know. But Juana, you're amazing. Seriously, thank you. I bought it in near all-time high, 0.00072 in October 21, and now I've averaged down to 0.00031 with 300 million Shib. Let's go, Remy. I like it, man. Mono, should have used margin and got another 300 shares. 7 apes. Looking at it today, yes. Yes, you should have. It is doing very well today, man. I do agree with you on that one, but that's because we're looking back right now, and it was, it did go up. So if it would have went down, it would have been a different story, man. Hey Clay, Ed F88, what's going on? Trying to get some work done, but it's nice to see some green today. Wait till the FOMC meeting brings it all down. No, Ed, it's not. The minutes are going to be fine, man. The minutes are going to be fine. We don't want to see it come down. Farmy actually coming back down, sitting at 0719 right now. Like I say, man, just really wanting to give back all of the gains that it had earlier today, and currently sitting at 16% higher when it was up about 30% a little while ago. 0711 continuing to come down. Oh, I got a bug in my hair? My hair's touching my head. 0711 right now, and you can't make this stuff up, man. Farmy can't save itself to save itself. And this line right here, 0661, yeah, that's where I imagine it's going to come back down to and give back all of the gains that it had earlier, because people just can't seem to hold on to that to save their lives. Clay, that bang the slasher message is me. My computer won't let me in my mod account. You're in your mod account right now, no? Bang the slasher. I don't even know if I saw a bang the slasher, man. Crypto Racketeer. I don't even know if I saw a bang the slasher, dude. Oh, there it is. I'd bang the slasher. Clay, really important. It's me, Crypto Racketeer. Can you please make me mod here and take the other away? I can't get it from the other guy. You're in the other one, man. You're in the mod account, man. Seems so. Clay, it's me. Yeah, Crypto Racketeer. I know it's you. I know it's you. It says right there, dude. You're in your mod account right now. My bad. I meant buy a few. Mint date was April of 2021 for Bored ABI Club, and I'm pretty sure it was cheap. Oh, dude, I'm sure it was cheap. It may have looked expensive. It may have looked expensive because they probably went up to like 1 Ethereum. Maybe 2 Ethereum. But, yeah, dude, that would have been a solid ride there, too. Snapchat going to come back down to 12, or is it going up to 20? Nick, excellent question. That is a very specific one. Let's see here. Is Snapchat going to rise again before it falls? Ooh, Nick, man, the outlook is good. The outlook is good, Nick. Very nice. If Snapchat's going to rise again before it falls, the outlook is good. Magic 8 Ball is as good, he can guess as good as me, man. Hi there. Do we have any reserve meeting now? Tap. No Federal Reserve, like, a meeting or announcement or anything. We do have the minutes that are being released, I believe at 2 o'clock, but let's look. Dang, man. There's Trapper's car. Trapper, I'm glad you're okay, dude. That's not a normal wreck, man. I don't know how that happened, but I'm glad you're okay, dude, because that's wild there. That car is nuts. Let's see. FOMC minutes, yes. 1400 is 2 o'clock. So, in about I don't know. About an hour and a half, guys. About an hour and a half, you're going to have the FOMC minutes. I'm expecting good news in the minutes, because the minutes being released are supposedly going to reflect the previous sentiment, which was positive. Now, whether or not it's actually good, I would imagine that it can't be bad, because, I do think that the Fed is changing their minds since the last meeting, with what Powell was saying yesterday about possibly a rocky landing and hitting a pretty hard recession. So I don't know. Even if it's good news even if the minutes reflect positive or bullishness, I don't know if investors are going to react the way that they should. Make Slasher a mod, please. And take away here. I can't get in on mobile. Gotcha. You can't get in on mobile. You're on your desktop on this one. Dude, why can't you get in on your desktop? Or why can't you get in on mobile? Let's see. Now I gotta find it. You gotta change the name back to Crypto Rocketeer or something. I can't be saying I'd bang the slasher. Click. How many tokens would you say you need? How many tokens would you say need burning to get Luna to $1? And now Mex have 100% implemented the burn tax from midnight tonight. If all others get involved, they can burn billions. Lunatics, Army Discord. It will need to burn trillions, man. It will need to burn trillions of tokens to get to $1. Okay, $1 is a high price. And let's put it this way, okay? When Luna was at its peak of $119 or so, it had roughly, I believe it was somewhere in between 40 and 60 billion. Don't know the exact number. I'm just trying to picture the chart in my head right here. I believe it was between 40 and 60 billion. If you guys know the peak market cap, you know, please let me know here. But I'm pretty sure it was between 40 and 60 billion. And to get there, okay, if it was to go to $1, you would only need 40 to 60 billion tokens outstanding. So think about that. If you had 60 billion tokens outstanding and they were at $1, then that would be a $60 billion valuation, which is where Luna was at its peak value. If that's what you're going to get again, you basically need to burn the entire supply, because right now there are 6.5 trillion coins outstanding, and you would need to burn basically 99% to get it back down to 60 billion coins outstanding. That's simply everything remaining the same, keeping the same valuation, keeping the same that dollar price, and basing that strictly on burns. Like, how many coins do you need to burn to get it to $1? You would need to burn 6.4. What is that? 6.44 trillion? 6.44 trillion to get it down to 60 billion? Is that right? I think that's right. Because 6.4 would leave you 600 billion. 6.44. Or no, 6.94, right? Oh, God. No, 6.44 because there's 6.5 trillion. Not 6.9. There's not 7 trillion. So I think you would need to burn like almost all 6.5 trillion, dude. Why would you kill your husband? That's not... Ooh, yes. Carol Baskin. Exactly, Outdoor Smile. That is not cool, man. Trying to change it? Thanks. I've been / gotcha. Nick Cole. Yes, something. We got Nicole in the chat. I don't know. Gregory. Carol Baskin's in the house. We got Carol Baskin in the house, baby. Samsung-backed Zengo wallet supports Shib since 2021. Will Samsung start accepting it too? Suvam Jolie, man. That's a good question. I do think that we are headed in the direction of many, many major retailers using things like Flex and Now payments and so on to integrate cryptocurrency payments into their revenue stream. So I would imagine, yes, that more major retailers will be jumping on board with accepting crypto. All right, how's your day been? Xbox Gaming, been pretty good so far. Luna, garbage, getting deleted from Coinbase on Friday. Yeah, a man commonly known as Darren. I think it's going to be deleted off a lot of major exchanges. A lot of these centralized exchanges aren't going to want to hold Luna Terra anymore, especially post-Snapshot, right? So it's going to be an abandoned project at that point. You will most likely still be able to sell it, or they'll just liquidate your account for you if they are delisting it completely there. But yeah, dude, it is a risk, right? But if you're willing to trade the snapshot, then you still can have some volatility and a catalyst there. So, play. I think the middle of June is the bottom. That's it, man. What's up, Aurelius? How you doing? And I hope you're right, man. I hope you're right. I hope we hit a bottom today, dude. And I hope it's nothing but green from here on out. Thanks, Clay. Lunatics Army Discord. Absolutely, man. Birthday spanks. Shib Daddy. Do I get to give or receive the birthday spanks? May 18, 2021, Gulfport Energy came out of Chapter 11 bankruptcy, opened up 62,000%. Well, unfortunately, Frank, I was traveling back to May 25th, 2021, so we were going to miss that one by about, 7 days, man. Dang, Frank, I was going back to May 25th. We're definitely missing the May 18th. It's a little worrying that Luna can mint new coins whenever they like. Remy, yes, dude, yes. I believe Ripple, XRP, can do the exact same thing. These centralized coins, that's the thing. And US dollar, Canadian dollar, any fiat currency in the world, shouldn't it be a little worrying that any fiat currency in the world can mint new coins whenever they like. That is exactly what they did to put us in this situation we're in right now, man. They minted, I believe, roughly 40% of the entire monetary supply in the last 2 years. So, yes, dude. Yes, it is a little concerning that anytime they want, they can mint a new coin. I'm talking crypto and I'm talking fiat. But who is wanting to buy things with Shib or other crypto for that matter? JB. Basically nobody, man. Basically nobody. I'm sure there are some people that are willing to do that, though. Why? I'm sure some people would rather, buy a hamburger than pay some taxes on and claim that hamburger on their taxes. I am sure some people would buy a house. That might be a little bit of a sticky situation to get themselves into. Some people may just do it for the novelty, man. I think that's what a lot of people are probably doing right now, is just spending their crypto for the novelty of spending crypto. Until things stabilize a lot more and you don't really view them as investments, but you view them as a currency, then I think that people would be much more willing to spend. But if as long as they're viewed as investments, I highly doubt you're gonna have people spending unless it's strictly for novelty. Sorry, Clay, last one, dude. What are you doing about 2.0? Are you buying? Well, you have to. Lunatics, let me put it this way, okay? At this, I am considering buying for the snapshot, but I don't care at all to hold post snapshot. I don't care at all to receive any of the airdrop. I don't really want to be associated with the project that Do Kwon is leading, man. I don't know. I watched what he did with Luna. I watched what he did with the Luna Terra there, and I don't know. It doesn't have my confidence. So I don't really care at all to receive from the airdrop, but I am kicking it around, trying and trading the snapshot there, because I do believe that we're going to see people buying in specifically for the airdrop. And if that's the case, I do believe the price should go up. And I do believe that it's going to go immediately down right afterwards. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm considering playing that just single trade on that day, setting a nice take profit or something, and just watching it hit and getting out, not worrying about anything that it does afterwards. But no, I don't care to hold any Luna 2, man, and be a part of their project. Fomc coming back down again. 7-11 right now. We got 4 red candles in a row. Can't do anything to save any green candles there. Fomc really, really, really wanting to give back all of its gains from earlier. Nobody can hold the stock. Everybody, they start talking bad about them and they start buying again. What do you know? You got to keep these guys in line, man. Talk a little crap, get them to go back up for a second there. You got to throw those red lines in there, man. Make me worried. Federa's releasing minutes in an hour and a half. What does that mean? Xbox Gaming. So that basically is just like a recorded summary of what they said during the FOMC, not press conference, but the FOMC meeting that they had there. Gives you a little look behind closed doors to see what was talked about and so on. I think it should be good news, because they did seem to be pretty bullish back during the meeting. Right now, they may be changing their minds a little bit and becoming a little bit more bearish and have that outlook of a potential recession, and hard-hitting recession coming our way. So I don't know how it's going to be received. Even if it is good news, based on what Powell was saying yesterday, I don't know how good of a reaction we can get. Let's see. Quit buying hype and useless coins. You can only hold so many bags. It is true, man. That's why it's a risk. Previous resistance becomes new support. AMC 1096 bouncing. Let's go. Yes. That is margin. He's getting margin. Oh my gosh. 7-8. Previous resistance is now support. You are correct on that. He's in on margin now. Oh my gosh. Well, dude, bouncing off of it. I like it. If you're going in on margin, be careful and hopefully make a ton of money. Meanwhile, bottom left, Fomc sitting at 721 again, trying its best to come back down. We can't get anybody to buy, even though Fomc was doing very well earlier, stringing all these green lines together. Everybody wants to give back everything that they made already today. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised to see Fomc close in the red today. After being up about 30%, wouldn't be surprised at all to see it close in the red. Shiba Inu coin up down 1.24% right now, sitting at 1158. GameStop 104.90 up 18% on the day, 17.60 at the moment. Gaining about 18% of the day. Phenomenal gains in GameStop today. We've got the NASDAQ still doing okay. It's breaking even, 0.42% higher. Biora Therapeutics basically breaking even as well, 76.90 there. We've got Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin down slightly right now. Sundial up 1%, 38.66. Mullen Auto break even at $1. CEI sitting at 66 cents. The SPY break even at 394.10. BBIG sitting down 3% at $2.81.5. Highcroft Mining $1.23.5 up 1.23%, and Netflix sitting 2.36% higher at $184.65 right there. Hope to see some more gains in there, even though I do not own any Netflix. I know that there were some people in the chat that did buy into Netflix after the decline, and some that bought in before the decline. So hopefully you guys are doing well there if you're still in Netflix. Let's see. 100+ watching with 56 likes. Painful, bro. Suvam, I know, man. You guys are going to make me cry. Click that like button. What are you doing? That's fair enough, dude. Lunatics. Yeah, man. Clipbrock punish Shib Queenie. She was into it. Now we have... God, man. Shib Daddy. Good deal, man. Glad she was into it. Monday. Crypto Rocketeers back, ladies and gentlemen. Monday is the day. Don't forget it. I pray to the dear Lord, baby Jesus, 5 pound with little golden wings. Rip bear market. Don't stop believing. We will not stop believing, John. Gary, what's going on? Hey, Clay, you rock. Just want to let people know that you get 30% at airdrop, and there is a 21-day bond before you can sell. Gary, good deal, man. Thank you for letting us know. I do know there's vesting periods, okay? Yeah, I believe you get, 30% of your entitled coins at the, like, genesis of the new token, right? And then the rest are vested over a period of time. Managed to get in now. Luckily, I seem to still be a mod here. Crypto Rocketeer, that is weird, man, because I know for a fact that I clicked remove mod. A lot of good buys, but limited funds like most. A little off. Yes, Randy, exactly right, man. A lot of us have limited funds right now because we have continually bought the entire dip all the way down. So I know a lot of us are in limited funds. Nobody's been stacking cash ready to drop a bomb. Has anybody been stacking cash ready to drop a bomb? Are we still waiting on the MOAS? Sergio. Every day, man, every day we will patiently wait for the MOAS to take place. AMC Trapper, saw your car on Twitter, glad you're okay. Yeah, man, AMC Trapper's car on Twitter is wild. If you guys haven't seen that, we are definitely glad that AMC Trapper is okay, because my dude was in a very bad car accident, I believe he said on Monday. Walked away with just some minor scrapes and scratches. So glad he is doing good there. That's a bad car wreck, man. That's a bad car wreck. So I'm glad he's okay. AMC Trapper, thank you for being in here and letting us know you're okay too, man. Prediction: AMC closing above $12 today. Yes. I'm calling yes. Let's see what the Magic 8-Ball calls. AMC above $12 today at the close. Crap. Well, guys, you have it there. The Magic 8-Ball says don't count on it. Don't count on AMC closing above $12 today. I said yes. 8-Ball says no. We will see who is right. We'll get a little intraday line on here. Oh no. Well, intraday line on there for AMC. We'll see if it makes it up to the $12 mark or not. I say yes. 8-Ball says don't count on it. 8-Ball being obvious there. GameStop soaring higher today, up 20%, 19.62 at the moment, $106.66 right now, 19.64% higher, $17.51 per share gain today. Really beautiful movement there. Thank heck you're okay, Trapper. No kidding, man. AMC Trapper, man. Glad you seriously. Okay, what are your expectations for June 3rd executive order? Ross, going to be completely honest, man. I don't know if it's going to do anything. I don't have any expectations at the moment, good or bad. Thanks, dude. I'm keeping the face. Sergio, let's get it, man. Me too. We can sort it out another day because I have no idea what's going on. Crypto Racketeer, I also have no idea what's going on. We can sort it out whenever, man. Chloe, where is the big Shiba announcement this week? Patiently waiting. Iridi, man. Iridi. My guess, okay, the big announcement this week that Satoshi was kind of alluding to last week when he said you got some exciting news coming up this week. My guess is that the big announcement is that Marcy Jastro is going to be a consultant on the metaverse. That's what my guess the big announcement was. Usually when you've got the Shib token Twitter, the one with 3.3, 3.4 million, whatever, however many million followers it has, whenever they tweet something, that's kind of a bigger deal. And I don't know who runs that account. They clearly don't tweet that often from it. But I believe the big news was Marcy Jastro becoming a consultant for the ecosystem team on the metaverse build. And I guess the main thing that she's going to do is figure out the best way to incorporate businesses in the metaverse and get businesses to want to be a part of it. Guys, I would have fully expected the Shiba Inu coin metaverse to sell out by now and that NFT project to have sold out by now. And it does seem to have stalled. So I don't know if they're going to sell out or not. It clearly seems like the other side, the metaverse there, was a much better deal than the Shiba Inu coin metaverse. But the beautiful thing is they're still building. Still building. They're not giving up there. Flip a coin on yes. Right ball. No. Randy, we got to flip a coin to see if we can flip the Shiba Inu coin here. This is tails. You guys can't see it. Hold on. This is tails. This is heads. We got to flip a coin to see who is right. Me or the 8 ball. Heads, I'm right. Tails, the 8 ball's right. Let's go. It's heads. So heads is calling I'm right. Tails, the 8 ball was right, but we got heads there. So we still got the coin is saying I am correct. We're not doing 2 out of 3. I don't do matching. I won't take financial advice from an 8 ball. 7 apes. Good deal, man. Good deal. I'm glad. 8 ball, more realistic answer. The 8 ball does have a more realistic answer. So what will happen when Shibarium rolls out? What can we expect as far as gains momentum? Will there be any changes we need to be aware of? Remy. I'm taking a stretch here, okay? So when Shibarium rolls out, yes, I expect some increased volatility, if not increased prices, because of hype, okay? Now, when Shibarium rolls out, it's going to be nice. The major effect it's going to have on Shiba Inu coin are the burns that are associated with it. Because we have to remember, just because this ecosystem team says that everything is for Shib, doesn't mean that everything is for Shib. Okay? If you've got Shibarium coming out, but the gas token and the utility token for Shibarium, my allergies are messing. If I start tickling my nose, I know I'm gonna sneeze like crazy. Is Bone. Bone is the utility token, and Bone is the gas token on the Shibarium blockchain. Shibarium is a Bone blockchain. It's got the Shiba Inu coin name. It will burn Shiba Inu coins, but it is the Bone layer 2 blockchain. So I would expect a major increase in the price of Bone before I would expect a major increase in the price of Shiba Inu coin. Now, do you have to do anything? No. If you want to continue trading your Shiba Inu coin on the Ethereum blockchain, you absolutely can. You do not have to move any of them over. If you want to move some of them over, you can. You're going to have less, especially if you plan on trading them very often. You're going to have minor, if like zero gas fees. It's going to be close to zero as possible. It should be very cheap gas fees to transact on Shibarium. You're going to be paying those in Bone, so you're going to need to add Bone to your portfolio. But over time, as more and more people adopt it, as more and more people use it, I would imagine that more and more Shiba Inu coin will be burnt, and that's going to have a larger impact over time on Shiba Inu coin than right off the bat. But you can move, if they map it out, you can move any of your tokens over to Shibarium. It's not just like a Shiba Inu coin exclusive thing. It's a layer 2 blockchain. So if they map it out, you'd be able to move your Dogelon Mars over to Shibarium if you wanted to. You can move your Cardano over to Shibarium if you wanted to. You could literally move whatever token you want. As long as they map it out to have it over there, you'd be able to move it over there. It's really pouring rain here. Now, I guess it's, fingers crossed. Speaking of the rain, sorry, I don't even want to talk, I'm not interrupting you. I fed another chipmunk today. I made post pictures on Twitter. I fed another chipmunk today. He did not eat out of my hand, but he did eat out of the bowl, okay? So I went over there and I was posted up, and he was very nervous, but he started eating. So I got a picture of Chipro eating out of my hand today, and then I get a picture of this other chipmunk eating today. So I'm going to have to see that. As far as those new baby birds go, I don't even know if they're in the nest anymore. I don't even know if they're in the nest. Guys, can baby birds, just fly straight out of the nest? I know fledglings typically, hop around, but I don't see the mom or dad bird going in there to feed them anymore at all this morning. I went up on the roof, and I could not hear them at all, and they were fluttering around pretty good last night. But if they left the nest, I would have imagined that they would have either been on the roof or right around the house somewhere hopping around, and they were not. So, can they fly? Would they have been able to get away? Let's see here. I'm heading out. Have a good lunch, everyone. See y'all later. Frodo, absolutely. We got a couple more minutes in the stream, and then I'll be heading out as well. I think the most Shib will do is lose the zero. I'm not going to go any higher than current supply and burn rate. It won't get anything great ever because just to kill the current supply, 10 years. Yeah, Harris. At the current rate, yeah, I would say it's going to take a long time to kill the current supply. But, depending on the rate that Shibarium burns and things like that, we really could start picking up and burning billions and billions. And imagine if Bitcoin does come down. Imagine if Bitcoin comes back down to $5,000 a coin and Shiba Inu coin adds 2 zeros, man. Imagine that. It's going to look bad. And those that, I guess, stay in it are going to be down drastically on their portfolios. But the amounts that would be burnt then, dude, $10 would burn 1 billion tokens. It's going to be crazy. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Pika says, meow, meow, meow. Thank you very much, Pika, for the super sticker. Really appreciate that and glad you are in here right now, Pika. I'm sitting here looking at these cards and I'm like, man, I'm thinking about Pika. Clear, bro. This is for Danelle. Well, that's for Danelle, but I'm thinking about you. Jeremy, and none been up the last few days. 75 mil calculating supply. Jeremy, yeah, nothing has been up the last few days, man, but that's crypto. The stocks are looking good today, so hopefully we get a little rebound in crypto as well because investors are willing to take some risks in the stock market. Hopefully they're willing to take some risks in the crypto market as well. Gregory Patrick Smith, thank you for the super chat. Love your channel, brosif. Please send Carol Baskins. Go AMC. I don't know if he's saying send or sing. Maybe he meant sing. Carol Baskin, who are you? Who are you? Why'd you kill your husband? Why'd you kill your husband? That's not cool. That's not cool. Gregory, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Now you guys are going to have that song stuck in your head the rest of the day. Oh, Bone been up the last few days. 75 million circulating supply. Gotcha. Not none been up. Bone been up. Now I get it, Jeremy. Jeremy's our Bone Man. I think Jeremy's our resident Bone Man in here. Jeremy, you cool if we designate you resident Bone Man? I'm done here. If Shimad. Shibadaddy. Shiba who? You done here? Well, look, Peak is definitely a mod. Already 6% negative on portfolio. Going for broke. Randy, go big or go home, man. Keep in mind, Queenie's 111 trillion Shib burn year forecast if it holds. Yeah, dude, look. That's a great case hypothetical scenario, but dude, if it does hold true, yeah, man, it's going to be massive burns that take place. Have a great lunch. See you in the afternoon. Nicholas, you too, man. GameStop over 100%. A borrowing fee, WTF. Is it over 100% right now? Well, John, man, I don't know if it is or not, but if it is, that's crazy. Gary, no way, something because Harris. Do you really think it could? Oh, Hemi, listen. I do think it's possible. Yeah, we'll talk about that real quick, and then I got to say bye because it is past 1 o'clock. But if you look at Bitcoin, man, and this major level of support that is here at 30,000, you really don't have much support. Look at a weekly chart. You really don't have much support at all. Just this little 1 month period from 2020, and then back here in 2017. That's the only support you have in the $20,000 range until you get back down to like 9, 10, 11,000. So if it breaks 30, this multi-year level of very strong support, if it breaks 30, then I would not be terribly surprised to see it hit 10,000 again. That's just me based on these levels of support here. But I don't think it's impossible to see that happen, especially if things continue to deteriorate the way that they are, and investors in the world is just as fearful as they are. AMC Trapper saying, peace out to the diamond-handed apes and the Shib army. AMC Trapper, glad that you're doing good. Guys, let's get some names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back a little bit later. Thank you, everybody, for being in here. All of you guys, Gregory, thank you guys very much for the super chats. Really appreciate every single one of you. Juana, I will figure out whether or not you've ever made a Trace Leches cake. I do need to know that, so you're going to have to tell me. And you still need to be more active in the chat. I'm calling it out right now. But guys, let's do these shout-outs, and we'll be back in the 3 o'clock hour. Thank you, everybody, for being in here, having a wonderful, wonderful live stream, and we'll be back a little bit later. Gary, man, shout-out to you. Huljan, Harris, Hemi, or Hemi. No, it's got to be Hemi, man. It's got to be Hemi Life. AMC Trapper, John, Pika, Gregory, see you later. Thank you. You're welcome, Gregory. Thank you, man. Gary, Shredda, John James Power, Meta Pockets, Hemi, see you later. Cassie, Pika, DD214, Congus, see you later. Cassie, RJT, stop by to show some love, man. Thank you very much. Isa Wu, I have not seen Isa Wu in forever. Yeah, Remy, where's Isa Wu, man? We need Isa Wu back in the gang here. Farmy throwing some green lines on there, looking good right now. We like green lines as we leave. AMC up as well. Peace, brozinho. You too, apinho. See you later, 7 apes. EIE. Shib Daddy, Spanx. Yes, all the time. Outdoor Smile, when by Luna. I don't know, man, right? Moments before it goes up and some moments after it, or moments before it goes back down. Outdoor Smile, see you later. Hemi Life, see you later. Had it right the second time, bro. You had it right. Hemi, right? It's got to be Hemi. Hemi Life. It's got to be Hemi, like a motor. Kevin, see you later. Jeremy, I'm down with being the bone man. You're the bone man, Jeremy. You're the bone man. All right, we got it. Jeremy's the bone man. Designated bone man in the chat. I like it, Jeremy. Yo, Kevin, see you later. Peace out to you, James. Enjoy your afternoon. Remy, see you later. Clay turns back into Chip Bro if he doesn't go off before. This is true, man. I do turn back into Chip Bro if I'm not off by 1 o'clock. See you later, Pika, Crypto Racketeer. Boom, baby. Jeremy, see you later as well. Maybe you got to work your way up to that bone man wrench, though. AMZ to Pluto, new foe. Hemi, like the motor. Good deal, man. See you later. Football, see you later. Everybody, you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.